In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an I-cord. Here you can see I've already started knitting an I-cord across the 4 stitches that I have on my needle. You can see that it makes a round tube of fabric that is quite stretchy. The working yarn is coming from the left side of the stitches that I have, as if I had just finished knitting them. In order to prepare for my next round, I simply slide them over to the right side of the needle. I grab the working yarn, allowing it to come around the back of the work, and now I'm ready to simply start knitting across the 4 stitches that I have. When I finish this round, I can just slide the stitches back to the right hand side and start again. And you can simply repeat these steps to keep working your I-cord. As you can see, the I-cord looks the same on the front and the back, with no visible gap around the back.